Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to Professional Excel Trainer. Today we will learn about the AutoSum command of Excel. Most of you may already know it, but today we will show you different methods of using this command with a keyboard shortcut. Before you start working with some data in Excel, please understand the data well. Once you know the data set, you can consider your work has become more accessible. We can see some data on our device screen. These are demo data. The leftmost column holds the unit numbers, and we have organized export quantities from January to May. Now carefully notice that I have only selected the data, no extra row or column is selected. If I press this AutoSum command, we will get the total in the row only, not the column. Let's press Ctrl+C to go back to the initial stage to see another example. We will increase the selection area by selecting this total row and column. If we again click on this AutoSum command, this will give us summation across the row and the column. In this same way, we may have average, count numbers, maximum, and minimum. We may introduce more functions by simply clicking on this More Functions option. The result we are expecting depends on the selection. We must make a selection depending on what we want as output. Whatever we have seen so far can be done by keyboard shortcut. Now we are going to see this. To do so, we have to go back to the initial stage and press Ctrl+C. First, we are going to see how we can get the total for a single column. For this, we don't have to select any data. Select this total, the total row. Now press Alt+= and enter to get the output. To see another example, we will go back by pressing Ctrl+Z on the keyboard. We are going to select the data only, not any other cells. Now pressing Alt+= will give the total at the total row only the same way the Excel AutoSum command gave the result to us. Now we need to go back by pressing Ctrl+C to see the last example of the day. We will make some changes in the selection process. We will select data, including total row and total column. Now pressing Alt+= will give us the total across the row and column. That's all for today. See you next time. Stay tuned and be safe. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. To get updates on our new videos, follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I am Mokibul Hassan signing off, wishing you all to be healthy and happy by the grace of Allah. Assalamu alaikum.